Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Krosuru, Palnadu district. 12th June, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy formally launched the distribution of Jagananna Vidya Kanuka Kits worth 1,042 rupees. 53 crore to 43,10, 165 students of classes 1 to 10 studying in government and aided schools across the state. Addressing a huge public meeting of students and their parents here on Monday before launching the distribution of kits, the Chief Minister said that government has introduced revolutionary changes in the educational sector to ensure that each family in the state produces engineers, doctors, scientists. Describing the distribution of Vidya Kanuka Kits as a festival in which ministers, MLAs, officials and others are participating, he said he had come forward to help the students like their maternal uncle. ₹3,366 crore was spent in the last 4 years under the Vidya Kanuka alone, he added. The kits comprise bilingual textbooks of English and Telugu content, notebooks, workbooks, 3 pairs of uniforms with stitching charges, a pair of shoes and 2 pairs of socks, belt, the school bag along with Oxford English Telugu dictionary for students of classes 6 to 10 and pictorial dictate. The kits are handed over to students on the day of reopening of schools after a 4-stage scrutiny by Quality Council of India. Quality kits worth 2,400 rupees each are being distributed so that you don't have to worry about the study material, he said, adding that the government aims to transform the students into globally competitive products. He said government signed more with the US firm ETS, Educational Testing Service, to train the students of classes 3 to 9 in attaining TOEFL-facing skills, and the teachers also would be sent to the US for acquiring necessary teaching skills. Students should gain expertise in the emerging and future technologies to become global citizens with good communication skills. Speaking about digitalization, he said that digitalization of teaching through IFPs in 15750 schools in first phase of Nadunedu would be completed by 12th July and in 16,000 schools in the second phase would be completed by December, he said. Disclosing that government has so far spent rupees 329 crore on education alone, he further said the state is becoming a role model for the country in education with the implementation of several programs like Amma Vodi, Jagananna Vidya Divina, Vasati Divina, Goru Mudda, Sampurna Poshana, Videshi Vidya Divina, Nadunedu and Introduction. Byju's content-loaded tabs would be distributed to Class 8 students on 21st December coinciding with his birthday, he said, adding that the government is ready to do more for the students. In response to the appeal of MLA Sankara Rao, the Chief Minister sanctioned Rs. 5 crore for a lift irrigation scheme at Talla Cheru and agreed to announce ARA package for 128 displaced families uncovered when the main ARA package was implemented in relation to Pulichintala project. Earlier, the Chief Minister laid foundation stone for the 60 crore rupees high-level bridge at Madinpadu and inaugurated the Government Polytechnic College at Krosuru. District Collector L. Sivashnakar, Perkurpadu MLA N. Sankara Rao, Education Minister B. Satyanarayan also addressed the gathering while Irrigation Minister A. Rambabu and several MLAs participated. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.